What if I told you that you could design a professional looking logo in the next 5 minutes for completely free without any design experience? I'm about to walk you through the exact steps I use, and by the end of this video, you'll have a logo ready to download. Open your browser and go to canva.com. Canva is a website where you can get access to tons of design elements, from posters to resumes, to emails, Instagram stories, landscape videos, invitations, and so on. On the left-hand side, click on Templates. Once you click on Templates, scroll down here and click on your right-hand side and look out for Logos. This is Logos. Click on Logo. This gives you access to pre-designed logos. Some are free and others are premium. You can come up here and change the type of logo you want. We have varieties of logos starting from modern, minimalist, simple, black and white, elegant, and more. If you select modern, it shows you types of modern logos. Let's take a look at minimalist logo. These are all minimalist type of logos. Let's take a look also at elegant logos. These are examples of elegant logos. So we are going to pick one of the minimalist logos and try to edit it. Now, if you want to use one of the premium elements, when you click on it and try to use this template, you need to subscribe to the premium version in order to edit this template. But since we are not using the premium version, let's select a free one that we can edit. For the purpose of this video, we are going to be editing this template. You can decide to use this logo and change every element you see in here. Let's bring in another element to replace this. When you go to the left-hand side, click on Element. This gives you access to all the elements on Canva. We can drag and drop this to replace what we already have. Just scale it down and move it to where you want to place it. If you want to change the color of this, just go up here and select any type of color you want. If you want to change the font type, just go up here and select the font family you want. You can also edit the text by replacing them with the name of your business. One thing you need to bear in mind is that you don't need to use more than 3 fonts in this design. Always try to stick to 2 fonts per design. Once this has been modified to your satisfaction, you can now export it and use it anywhere. If you want to export this logo, come up here and click on Share. Click on Download. This will then be downloaded onto your device, and you can use this anywhere you want. Let's try editing another logo. Let's go back to Templates. Let's choose any template. Of course, we need a free template. We are going to replace it with a current. Now let's edit the element by changing the name of the business. And just like that, we have our custom logo ready to be downloaded. We go back up here, click on Share, and click on Download. Share this video with someone starting a business or a brand. They will thank you. Like and subscribe for more free design tutorials every week. Comment your logo below. I read everyone.